A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the MAPEH Major Let Review a 10-item practice test, Set 2A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. He was considered the father of physical education. A. Richard Mulcaster. B. Johann Gutsmuths. C. Friedrich John. D. Franz Nachtigall. He emphasized children's play activities during the 20th century in America. A. Thomas Denison Wood. B. Jacob Riis. C. Jesse Bancroft. D. Clark Hetherington. In 1893, this was recorded to be a required subject for all candidates for the elementary teacher's certificate at the Superior Normal School for Men teachers in the Philippines. A. Folk dance. B. Gymnastics. C. Cockfighting. D. Swimming. He was considered as the greatest Filipino boxer of all time. A. Gabriel Flash Alord. B. Manny Pacquiao. C. Pancho Villa. D. Mansueto Velasco. The all-time greatest international bowler with 6 world championships to his credit, some considered him as the greatest Filipino athlete of all time for making it to the Guinness Book of World Records. A. Carlos Loizaga. B. Eugene Torre. C. Ramon Fernandez. D. Pen Nepomuceno. Asia's fastest woman in the 1980s? A. Elma Muros. B. Bonku. C. Lydia de Vega. D. Jennifer Rosales. The Philippines joined the 1924 Olympic Games in Paris for the first time. It was a two-man delegation sent by the Philippine Amateur Athletic Federation. Dr. Regino R. Ilinan was the representative official and coach. The athlete, who was a Philippine scout and competed in the 100m and 200m dash, but was eliminated in the trial heats, was A. Teofilo Ildefonso. B. David Nepomuceno. C. Lydia de Vega. D. Jose Villanueva. The Secondary Education Development Program, SEDP, is a response to continue pupil development started by the Program for Decentralized Educational Development in 1982. The new Secondary Education Curriculum, NSEC, of SEDP is cognitive affective manipulative based and is student-centered and community-oriented. One of the 8 subject areas in the NSEC is physical education, health, and music, PEHM. This is based on A. DECS Order Number 11, S 1989. B. Department Order Number 20 S 1973. C. MEC Order Number 6 S 1982. D. DECS Order Number 53 S 1994. The Olympic flag was designed by Coubertin himself in 1914. 5 colored rings from left to right in blue, yellow, black, green, and red, symbolizing unity of 5 continents of the world, were set against a white background, which is symbolic of peace. It was also in this year that the Olympic oath was introduced. It was first used in A. 1928, B. 1951, C. 1920, D. 1959. When we gain an understanding of how we view sport and physical in contemporary culture by studying the culture that have significantly affected the development of Western civilization, we use A. Axiology, B. Ontology, C. Epistemology, D. Logic. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.